question they are saying, what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? Now, if you guys remember, we have studied something which is called as acceleration, right? This term is not new to you. You already know acceleration. I think rate of change of velocity that you have studied, rate of change in velocity, right? So you have studied that is what is acceleration. So but obviously there would be change in speed, but here they are asking, what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? So to try to understand this term, let's have this case. So here we have a tree at a height holding a fruit. We started observing the time is 0 at this moment, okay? And initial velocity, the moment you start observing, I hope you know कि at that point it has initial velocity. So initial velocity is 0 meter per second. The moment I start observing, within a break, like that fruit जो है, it basically started falling down. So after 1 second I find fruit somewhere over here. Now it has a speed of 9.8. Initially it was 0, but now it has a speed of 9.8. After 2 seconds, the speed is now 19.6 meter per second. Then after 3 seconds, it finally reaches to the ground and it is having a speed of 29.4 meter per second. Can anyone tell me what is happening over here? Yes. What difference, what change is taking place? You see this time difference is how much? 1. And how much speed changed? It is 9.8, right? Change in speed was 9.8. Over here also there was a change in speed in 1 second. 2 minus 1 will be 1 second only. So 19.6 you will subtract from 9.8. Again you will find that is 9.8. Then next, again you will find for next 1 second there is a change in speed is 9.8. So can we say कि per second there was an increase in speed and this increase was 9.8? You can also state this as per second, okay, per second it accelerate by the value of 9.8 meter per second square. So it accelerate by the value 9.8 meter per second square. So this was the story when it was falling down. Okay, when it was falling down, it was basically the speed was increasing. So when the speed is increasing, you have to consider this as a positive g. That means gravitational acceleration is positive, speed is increasing. We have one more case. So let's have the second case. In this, a boy is playing with a ball. So we started observing time 0. Initially the speed was 19.6 meter per second. So he just threw that ball in a upward directions, okay? After 1 second he find ki speed is now 9.8. After 2 seconds he finds speed is what? 0 meter per second. So what I can say, in this case the reverse process, instead of increasing it is decreasing, right? So per second there is a decrease in speed. That means you can also say there is a retardation per second. So you need to remember, there is some takeaway from this. You all need to know that whenever there is a concept, such concept, when an object is moving vertically upward or vertically downward, so top to bottom, if an object is coming from top to bottom, so no matter what, if they say it is being released, if it is being dropped, not throw, release, drop, starting from rest, so these all means ki initial velocity is 0. Every time they will not specify. Then acceleration is positive. Final velocity depends how long it is going to take to reach the ground. Understood? What about if object is moving from bottom to top? So here acceleration is negative. You see there is no increase, it is a decrease in speed. Initial velocity is not 0. Initial velocity is not 0. Then it will not go up. But the final velocity is 0. After this it will start falling down. Is it clear? Yes. So you need to have clarity Like, what is gravitational acceleration? That means gravity is accelerating each and every object by the value of what? 9.8 meter per second. So if it is coming down, it is a positive. If it is moving up, then it is negative. So yeah, this is how you can answer. Firstly, you'll explain कि if you drop a ball from a height, it falls. As the time passes, its speed increases. If you throw a ball upward, its speed decreases till it reaches the highest point. Also, if you throw the ball at an angle, its direction of the motion changes. So firstly, you'll explain. Then you can say in all these cases, velocity of the ball changes, that is, ball is being accelerated. If the gravity is the only force, meaning that air resistance is neglected, all above object move with the same acceleration near the earth's surface. This acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration due to gravity is given by, that means the formula is capital G capital M upon R square. Now the question arises, what is capital G? So capital G stands for universal gravitational constant. Okay, so this is gravitational constant. I think you have studied, you must have studied. So it is a gravitational constant. What is M over here? It is a mass of earth surface. Earth, not surface, mass of earth. And R is the radius of earth. Is it clear? Capital R stands for radius of earth. So we have a fixed value for each of this. As you can see, radius of the earth is given as 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. Then mass is 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. And then gravitational acceleration is 6.673 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So when you're going to put all of these, when you're going to put all of these, like G की value रखोगे, M की value रखोगे, R square, R की value रखोगे, then उसको square करके simplify करोगे, solve करोगे, तो you'll get a value of something which is called as 9.77 meter per second square. तो बेसिकली ये वैल्यू जो है ना, ये ग्रेविटी का एक्सेलरेशन है. दिस इज द वैल्यू बाय विच ग्रेविटी आपको एक्सेलरेट करता है. नाउ इसको हम राउंड ऑफ लेते हैं 9.8. ओके, इसको हम राउंड ऑफ लेते हैं 9.8. ये फर्दर समटाइम्स इन क्वेश्चन दे ऑल्सो आस्क यू टू जी जो है टेक एज 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. But this is sometimes being asked, sometimes they provide you this value, otherwise you are supposed to go with this 9.8 meter per second square. So I hope you understood what is acceleration due to gravity. It means gravity हमें accelerate करता है per second by the value of how much? 9.8. And this value we use to solve the numericals. In that, remember that condition, if an object is falling from top to bottom, the initial velocity is 0 and the final velocity depends, and in this case gravity का acceleration जो है वो positive होगा. But if in case if it is going from bottom to top, तो in this case it will be negative acceleration and the final velocity is going to be 0. Initial velocity depends by what speed you throw. So I hope solution was clear to you. I was able to answer your question, that is what is acceleration due to gravity. Yeah, so if in case if you have any doubt, you can reach to us. We'll help, will try my best to solve all your queries. Thank you.